President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellencies, the governors here present, my esteemed colleagues, principal secretaries present, the ambassadors present, development partners, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, it is an honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you this afternoon at this inaugural Nyanza International Investment Conference. We are deeply grateful to you for taking time off your busy schedule on matters of national importance to honor us with your presence here as we work together to unveil and explore the vast investment opportunities within this region. As co-patron, Your Excellency, I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to the professionals from Nyanza who have organized this event. Your Excellency, the theme of this conference, Nyanza Rising Towards Economic Transformation for Socio-Economic Growth and Development, is perfectly aligned with Kenya's Vision 2030, the government's medium-term plan for 2023-2027, and the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. It then reflects that the aspirations of the nation as we strive for sustainable and inclusive growth. Your Excellency, the sector highlighted throughout this conference, such as the blue economy, agriculture, technological innovation, energy infrastructure, and the empowerment of women and youth, are of paramount importance to our national development agenda. These are vital to our collective efforts in driving our economic progress. I am confident that dialogue, partnerships, and collaborations fostered here will make substantial contribution to the government's projection of economic targets of 5.4% in 2025. Your Excellency, a lot has been said, and we are all aligned to it, to the extent that the professionals from Nyanza have now stood up to be counted, and we are going to work hand in hand with all our partners to ensure that our region gains from the economic development of this country in order for us to achieve what we've lost past. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you, my